Hello guys, and in particular hello Mohammed. Thank you for all your support, by the way, on Twitter, and loving your charts and what you do, and just keep doing it, you know. And to anyone else who watches these videos, please do get involved. You know, post your charts, post your good trades, post your bad ones if you have bad ones. Get involved, and you know, we are a bunch of traders helping traders, and FinTwit is such a fantastic place, and so is YouTube, and no doubt lots of other places as well. But you know, if you can avoid the scammers and the greedy bastards, excuse my French, then you know, a great gang of people. So anyway, the only thing I would say about this is, you know, reverse analysing, or analysis as it were, is in my opinion, what I try to do is find charts that look great and then reasons not to trade them, as opposed to possibly charts that are just there to be analysed, as it were. And the problem, as I see it with this one, is we've got a really good looking potential chart on the monthly. This is the monthly chart, that's right, I had to think about that for a moment. But all the other time frames, weekly, daily, are a bit of a mess. So I'll try to explain what I mean, but what I really want to see is this as a H4 or daily chart, so that we can say, yeah, we've just had a 3-candle reversal here, we've had the sideways business here, we've pushed up strongly here, and we are into a support, potentially acting as resistance here, and it might do this, that and the other. The problem we've got here is we've been sideways for a whole month. We've got all of January doing nothing really, apart from having, the only thing I could say here is, well, yeah, we've got momentum, we're green from 0 to green. But when we look at the and the point, while I'm here, the point I want to be making is, we want to be getting in a trend reversal, draw a descending trend line here. We want to be getting in at this point here. You know, get in as soon as we've crossed over, made the 3-candle reversal, and made the move on the RSI here, you know, like this, bust, pull back, break and close. That, as you can see, is where the power is. So I suppose on this monthly chart, if we do have a pullback, this is the pullback phase, and we have then an RSI histo monthly turn from red to green with momentum, something like this, with power, then yeah, we may well fly to the moon. But you would still have to use your weekly, daily, and even right down to the 1-minute charts to take your safest entry. So while we're here, we can draw a descending trend line. Clearly, very easy. Well, let's do it on the line chart. Let's do the last 2 levels, and that's that there. Then we could draw an ascending trend line too. Apologies, I'm still a noob with TradingView, but I'm loving it. Learning more by the minute, and Reen has sent me loads of bits and pieces, little tips and tricks, so thanks for that, Reen. So now back to the candlesticks and down to the weekly, and let's sort of put a better perspective on that in terms of the height of the chart. So as you can see, the point I was trying to make just now about entering at the cross, this was the most recent weekly cross down here, something like this area here, and there you can see you've got your RSI momentum coming in, then you've had a pullback, then you've had the bigger momentum come in. Could have got caught out by this, but you would have been secured by your stop safely below all of this lot. But drawdown is not what we like. Then momentum again. So actually it's a messy chart, because the momentum comes in, you get these moves, they are weekly moves, but you know, if this was a 5-minute chart, it wouldn't be very valuable to us, because you know, 4 or 5 pips, then massive 30, 40, 50 pip drawdown or whatever. So not even a nice chart for price action actually, but you know, I'm learning about stocks, so you know, that's not my area of expertise at the moment. So you want to be getting in down at this point here with this swap from the downward momentum. Actually, there looks like there was probably yeah, there's divergence involved there as well. So this is the best part of the move, the meat of the move as it were. 3CR up, sideways motion, boom. And you would get your, as long as this is green and has changed from red to green, then your lower time frames will get you in with short drawdown. So what else have we got going on here? Yeah, over this side of the chart, once again you can see, you know, all you've got to, if you were long biased because of that monthly, then really, you know, you should be expecting pullbacks based on the monthly long bias, and that is exactly what's happening here. You're getting you've got divergence come in, you've got a 3CR there. So yeah, I mean, fantastic short trade. I don't think, if memory serves, you suggested what time frame you wanted the analysis on, Mohammed. So you know, maybe you were looking for a trade on the weekly chart to the short side. Looks brilliant. In fact, does look very good. But I don't think most people, from what little I know about stocks, like shorting them that much. I'm not sure. They tend to buy and hold its investment, I guess. That's my intention anyway. So until I get more experience. So we've got a 3CR down. That's the level there. That's the penultimate high. Sorry, I meant that to snap to the low of the candle. Not doing very well on this, am I? You get the drift anyway. It's there. I think Rin said control. Let's dump that one and put a new one on. There. It does, if you put it near the extremities of the candles, it does click to them, which is brilliant. So three candle reversal down, pullback. It doesn't look like it wants to do much of a pullback. It looks like it wants to continue. Green to this side, so this does look like a superb short opportunity at this point. Down to the daily, we could also draw an ascending trend line on there, because that there is a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. Look on the line chart and it will be obvious. Okay, you see these in your sleep eventually. So go down to the daily chart and give us a bit better perspective on it, and tighten that up perhaps to there. And you can see this is actually crashing. It's going to go to this level first and bounce, no doubt, and then it will try to test the old resistance levels, and you can see their support as well and resistance here. So yeah, this does look like it's likely to crash right now on this daily chart, and this would be how I would look at areas of potential supply and demand. You can see how sort of this area here created this bounce here, but resistance tends to get tested as support, causes a bounce, then continues and might go to the next one. So hopefully that's sort of answered your request, Mohammed. I couldn't really do just charts. It would take, I hate drawing, writing really, and so it's far easier just to produce a video for you, and it gives me practice with TradingView. So yeah, I mean, that looks short, but then you've got these ascending trend lines, so it might just stop there, stop dead and start to move up again, and that hopefully, oh, we've lost the RSI histo, hopefully answers your question. We've actually got divergence as well with the RSI histo. lower high from a higher higher high making a lower high. So yeah, interesting chart. Hopefully that helps, Mohammed. Any questions, give us a shout. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.